recent study of data done by the European Commission revealed that Belgium issued more than 74,000 permits to foreigners in 2023, and this trend would continue to increase in 2024 and 2025. So in today's video, let's cover a country in Western Europe that many people forget about when they're thinking of moving to Europe. This beautiful country is Belgium. And if you are interested in those Belgian waffles or just a life in Belgium, stick around. Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for doing so. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, thank you for spending time with me yet again. Today I'm covering a country which was the first country that I discovered as a tourist in Europe on work. So I had gone to Belgium in 2018. March of 2018 or April of 2018. That was my first ever project. The project, funnily enough, was in Rouen in France, but weekends we were allowed to go anywhere, so we ended up going to Brussels and Bruges. So I did get to see Belgium as a tourist while my employer paid for it. I then went on to do two projects in Belgium in 2019 and 2021. And I discovered that Belgium is a great place if you are a techie, if you are into startups, if you're into finance, or if you're an English speaker in general. And that's why, even though I'm not a fan of Belgian waffles and I've never tasted a waffle in my life, Belgium continues to hold a very special place in my heart. Today's video is going to be segmented into three parts. First, I'm going to introduce Belgium, just overall, why is it a great choice? Second, we're going to talk about a crazy immigration change that was brought about recently, according to which you can make Belgium your home in just 2 weeks. And third, we're going to talk about what are the job portals that you can use if you're looking for your next opportunity in Belgium. Now let's get the waffles out of the sight and focus straight on Belgium. Let's go. So first, why Belgium? Now, Belgium obviously is considered to be a great place to live. It has high standard of living, good work-life balance, and excellent healthcare system. The country also boasts of a well-developed economy and has a lot of experiences to offer to anybody that's moving in or coming in as a tourist, student, or working. It also has high salaries and stable employment conditions. And it's also been blessed with insane labor shortages in the current times. A study done by Manpower Group in 2025 showed that more than 70% of Belgian employers were unable to find the right talent for their jobs. And they also defined talent shortages by sectors in Belgium. It was 80% in financial and real estate, 79% in public sector and others, 76% in industrials and metals, 76% in energy and utilities, 74% in IT, 69% in communication services, 68% in healthcare and life sciences, 66% in transport and logistics and automotive, and 62% in consumer goods and services. In terms of the top in-demand skills, here are the top 5. On the top, we have engineering, 27%. Then we have IT or data, which is 25%. Then we have HR, 19%. Then we have manufacturing production, which is 17%, and operations and logistics also standing at 17%. And it is because of this insane labor shortages that a crazy change was announced in terms of immigration. And this change is that if you are a highly skilled foreign worker, which is making more than 5,000 euros gross monthly, then your family can qualify for fast-track family reunification process, which can be done in just 15 days instead of the current timeline of 9 months. Yes, you heard that right. The current timeline of family reunification of your dependents being able to move with you is 9 months. But that's going to come down to just 15 days if you're a highly skilled worker that's contributing to the Belgian economy. Now, I'm sure you've already reached a point where you're like, really? 5,000 euros gross? That is an impossible amount to achieve. Well, not really, because there's an employer that we work with directly in Belgium, and we have a lot of engineering roles through them, mostly for some American companies that they service. The roles are all based in Belgium, and even though a lot of experience is not required, some of them do provide the monthly gross salary of 5,000 euros and more. So technically, even the opportunities that we offer at Globology with our clients in Belgium, you could qualify for this fast-track visa processing of just 15 days instead of 9 months. Now that tells you that Belgium truly wants you to move if you're a highly skilled worker. They truly want you to move, settle in with your family, and make Belgium your home quickly. So I'm sure you're already wondering, where can you start looking for opportunities? I'm going to give you 5 amazing websites that I personally like. Feel free to use these to narrow down your next opportunity in Belgium. I'm not including the regulars like a LinkedIn or an Indeed because I know you guys are smart enough. You can use those on your own. I'm just using the ones that are not that well known and can be a great resource if you're thinking of Belgium. So let's go. The first one that I recommend is EURES website. Now, I would say that please be careful with the flag sign. Choose the one that does not have like a flag mark. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So once you're here, you can go and just select Belgium. There are like more than 280,000 vacancies anyway. Go in, search US flag with or without. So I would select the without, because if it has a US flag, it means the employer is particularly interested in recruiting workers from other European countries. But if it does not have the US flag, it means that they're open to other like non-EU countries as well. There are almost 288 to 76 vacancies that you can target. So that's option number 1 for you. The next one that I recommend is findajobinbelgium.com. This is English speaking jobs in Belgium itself that you can target. Again, go on, look for opportunities here. A lot of opportunities available that you can scroll through and find for yourself. See what's a great fit. There are more than 17,000 roles that are currently open that you can use. The next one that I like is Stepstone, but for Belgium. Would highly recommend that you go by this link. So Stepstone English language in Brussels, because this will give you English language job in Brussels. You can also, of course, change the city and just do this, and let's see what pops out. Almost 3,000 jobs that come up, English language jobs. And you can apply on company website, easy apply. All of that information is also here. They have categories, so you can choose, which field you want to apply for, etc. The next one that I like is englishjobs.be. Let's look at this website together. There are almost 5,000 jobs that are available. You can choose by province, you can choose by city, and you can go and look for those opportunities and apply. And the final one that I'm going to recommend is Jobs in Brussels. This is for Jobs in Brussels, Belgium, for English speaking professionals. So you can go in here, accept cookies, and then look for roles. Now, of course, this does not have a lot of roles, but of course it has like more than 500 opportunities that are available here. And that's it. With that, this amazing video has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that I've created some more curiosity about Belgium in general. It's gone beyond the waffles, it's gone beyond the Brussels sprouts, and I hope that you're going to be exploring Belgium more as a career opportunity and as your future home after today's video. Well, I loved making this video, but I would love to know your thoughts about how you found this video to be. Was it informative? Was it good? Is Belgium one of the countries you're targeting? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments. Of course, I'm always reading them and curating my content according to what you want to see. So your thoughts are supremely important to us beyond anything else that we do at Globology. With that, I'm going to sign off with a promise that I'm going to come back very soon. So let me know which country you're targeting in the comment section so I can curate my content according to your preferences. I promise to see you in the next video. And until we meet again, please take very, very good care of yourself. Stay safe. Namaste.